Check out this badass Baja Buggy, guys. Six years. Yeah, right.
It's pretty long. It's funny. We've been doing like the same thing in our school. We got 3x4.
So it's got bigger than 5x5s in the rear. It's something custom. Check out the tower on this, how beefy that thing is. Like, oh my god. If you break that system, like, what is you doing? Overall look is very wide. Love it. Very cool. Beefy as hell.
Different. Yeah, it's something different. I was trying to remember the
wow.
The 27-inch long pivot to center line of hub in there.
Wow, they've got firewall, plastic firewall even.
Like a stock one is 16.
Very cool.
So they're 11 inches longer than the stock are.
Got a UMP system. Was that an Ecotech or something? Or
yeah.
Is that This is SKM.
He is
SKM fabrication.